Collaboration is definitely something we pride ourselves on.
It starts with development with our customers. MRPC is really good at the upfront discussions to find unique solutions for our customers.
Kind of become a think tank for them in their engineering groups and how we're going to manufacture this product as if it was our own product.
We want to collaborate with them in that product design, tool development, all the way through to distribution.
One of our main goals is to establish long-term relationships with our customers. The programs that we work on oftentimes take many years to develop on the engineering side, and then once they launch into production, our intention is to be a long-term partner with our customers.
We're in this to make sure that you're as successful as we want to be. We want to provide solutions to you that make you successful and give you the feeling that really is a partner type relationship.